An active manhunt this morning for the gunman who opened fire on a young family, killing their baby who was just in this stroller. 1-year-old N.T. Kennis was killed in Brooklyn last night. Eyewitness News reporter, Anthony Johnson's in Brownville with the story. Anthony.
Good morning to you, Ken. Good morning, everybody. It appears that this shooting was all the result of an earlier dispute. Of course, the little baby was not the target. Instead, it appears his father was the target. Police are still out here on the scene this morning. They got the block closed off as they continue their hunt for a baby killer. This all happened overnight last night here in Brownsville, Brooklyn. Little N.T. Kennis had just started learning to walk. The child was in a stroller, though, after a gunman shot the toddler once in the head. The boy's father was the apparent target. Tragically, the 1-year-old was the only victim in this shooting. His mother and father were walking across the street, pushing the stroller, when the heartless gunman ran up and fired at least 4 shots. That, according to witnesses. The father was heard screaming, "My baby is shot," out here on the street. And this morning, family members are stunned.
3 days in a row, he was out here playing with his father and the rest of the family, and this tragedy happened. It's just sad.
Now the family is huddled at their home nearby this location. This is the second child shot here in Brooklyn. The last one occurred on August 24th. There have been 16 shootings of children in New York City under the age of 16, all since the middle of May. That's the latest live from Brownsville, Brooklyn. Anthony Johnson, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.